Juninga sangni somni paruk ani Israel Mossad Spy pakhatchu an lo chui ruwa ha omnate ti chonin Iran chandeu hacker group hian oma chungte chon an lo chui ruwa an that dei mai ni a turu khop mai heti le a chanchu Iran le US ten deal siam tum Israel lampang Lebanon lo va beipok hatiang han thila ni nei nuai to atuna hian hetiang hianin pro Iran hacker group te hianin Israel spy pakhat an lo that le dei sia heti le kan re kan soizaw ma ka shilu cheu to na hian MVM educational institution hoya kum sang hi somni pro sang hi somni pasari atan college sang admission hon mek ania an college e campus khata Bangalore Karnataka an omani tin hen college ata hian elite health science pharmacy a computer IT management business paramedical physiotherapy te hospitality le program sang te azir theya unawe mo thian za ho mun khata omdu course inang lo zir du te tan rem don mani heta phone number on tar chua 86385 82182 a hianin zukbia ula admission in lo zuk ti ve cheu doni ole tuna chonin kan react anang
an Israeli spy tracked and observed for months then eliminated
thatam tak chung an lo en tha ani apui khop mai
is the explosive claim now emerging from Iran
he thili Iran lampangin kan ti ani anron ti tam mi maya Iran lampang hi anron huai sot khop mai tuna hian mani lo ka po khanin Israel hian Lebanon khopui Beirut chimlama Hezbollah ho omna hi abomani chuan US ten in hian deal kan siam lawang an lo ti tobok tuna hian Israel Mossad Spy pakhat hi kan tha ani an ron ti tobok thatam tak chung kan lo en tharu ani ten ti tobok Israel Mossad Spy hetinga en thak thei chui thei ani hi chuanin arab an pui vengo tang hetiang pro Iran hacker te ho mo pro Iran te zo he Iran chan deuh pol hacker group khan ni maya an pui vengo tang achan chu Mossad Spy te chu khovela spy turuber bonber anga khovela ngai ani hey arukin an lo en kha thei Iran hian an mani in soidana hian an bon chho rio mai
Iranian media reports that a senior Mossad officer was killed after months of surveillance in what is being described as a covert operation.
Covert operation. Heti la poi Mossad spy satli anilo. Spy junior tak anilo. Mossad spy senior to tak. Til tam tak lo in ham noi to te po aniang. Mi poi mo tak heti nga Iranina Israel mi poi mo tak an tha sak ve thei hi chu Iran hi an in ti thei ve win ka ring an state media te pon heian puanga tuna news channel tam tak train kan mule thei ta ane.
Adding another twist to the story, Iranian state media has reported that the international hacker group Handela has claimed responsibility for carrying out a targeted car bombing operation. The blast reportedly took place on one of Israel's busiest roads. Handela, Iranian state operation. Adding another twist to the story, Iranian state media has reported that the international hacker group Handela has claimed responsibility.
Iran lampangin kanti entia amaro chu international hacker group pakhat Handela te chuanin he thil hi Iran lampang ti ani lo keima ani ti ani kan pol ti ani anron ti vele dai mai ani Iran state media te chuan lo puang zar ve na sato anron puang zar ve na sato an lo in ti thei pui na sato news tam taka dar na sato amaro chu international hacker group Handela lampang hi ani ne kanti ani kha anron ti le dai mai ani tat mai na Iran lampang dot soi hi tian ron lang chuak le nga nge
for carrying out a targeted car bombing operation.
Car bombing operation
took place on one of Israel's busiest roads, a key route connecting the Tel Aviv metropolitan area.
Tel Aviv khopui pan na kong poi mo tak pakhata hetiang hianin Handela lampang hianin car bombing operation hi an lo nei ve a hi kanti ani an ron ti vele dai mai ni Iran lampang in enge soi turan nei ve don
rush hour, heavy traffic and then chaos erupting. Iranian media says Handela released footage of the aftermath. The video allegedly shows a burning vehicle in the middle of the highway.
Tichuanin Iran media lampangina soidan chuan
erupting. Iranian media says Handela released footage of the aftermath. The
Iran media soidan chuan in Handela te hian hetiang hianin video te pon ron ti chuak ani ti ani a.
Video allegedly shows a burning vehicle in the middle of the highway.
Okay, om je chu heng international hacker group Handela te hian in Iran an thanani chu wan chuan in Iran state media lampang ten kan ti ani kha an ron ti kha ke mani min tran deuh tu international hacker group pakhatan oma chu Handela ani hian in hetiang hian in Mossad spy agent senior to tak pakhat tha theinan hian in min puyani tian zong khanin Iran state media chuan in thu kha an lo tian an lo ti kual vel ti na ani chu
cars can be seen passing by as flames engulf the wreckage. The group claims the target was no ordinary individual. According to its statements, the victim was a senior Mossad officer, a claim that remains unverified.
Amaro chu Israel lampang hianin engma statement an laron ti chuak lo he thil hi chu Handela te Iranian state media lampang te hianin hetiang hianin thuan ron post amaro chu Israel lampang in kan Mossad senior spy tha ani nge ye ti kha engma thu an laron post lo bani.
A senior director of Mossad's new infiltration unit linked to the Iran file was killed in the morning blast after a
he am Mossad senior Mossad an spy apo hianin senior director ani he an tha he a level chu sang reng khop mai he thili thu dikani phei chuan mo ti chuanin new infiltration unit linked to the Iran file apui hle mai he thila he.
Handela says this was not a random strike. The group claims it spent months gathering intelligence, tracking movements, monitoring activities and conducting surveillance before launching the operation.
Eng pangin ngen thang le di bom an kam ru nge rocket nge missile fel chu ni rin om si lo achan chu Iran ina Israel an ka po khanin Israel zone in air defense system an nei tha boxi chu van zonin missile emo rocket manga be emo khiti nga tha ani chu rin om lawa akara pu dan han en reng po hian kara khianin bom an kam ru nge ni in alang an hetian en mai chuan karo chu na kina thu chiang zok te po la hriat theyanga Iran pro Iran hacker Handela te lampang chuanin thatam tak chung kan lo en tha kan lo zui ruwa akal na te ron hona te engtika nge a chua thin ti ang chi zong zong kan lo en tha antia khatianga khipa che dan nun dan information zong zong an nei vek nu ating hianin man lata ni.
Without naming the official, Handela said the target had been under observation for a long time. Iranian
ming Handela lampang hianin kimi Mossad spy ming khi an ron puang chuak du lawa khi ero khi chuanin hey enge tlema han ril deuh hlek na kha ke mani hena siam lo thei lo ani achan chu kan tha tani an tia an tha aming te kharon soi ta se Mossad spy senior spy pakhat mi poimo tak an ti rengota aming kan ron soi lang tel box si lawa khatiang taka chiang taka an lo zui ruk thei thatam tak chu an lo chui ruk thei kha chu aming te nen lam po khanin ron puang chuak lo lo se an mani na han hriat chiang don te reng nen nge nia aming an puan chu chuan a lo ni le lowanga an mual phowang ti te po khan hlau ve te po ni thei.
State media reports that Handela later challenged Israeli authorities. The group called on Israel to publicly reveal the victim's identity.
Handela lampang chuanin a soi loin Israel ramathu nei tu te kha Handela lampangina an tha sa ta ka kha Israel Handela lampang te chuanin Israel ho tu te hena khan he inspire pakhat kan tha sa ka cheu hi tunge ani aming engkim detail ron puang chuak ro tiang zong khanin Handela lampang chuanin Israel kha an lo ti el khum ti na ni chu.
At the same time, it questioned the ability of Israeli security agencies to protect senior figures.
Khatianga an che to nu khanin Handela lampang pro Iran hacker group te chuan Israel sarkar an security kha kha athavak lowem monits o tiang zong khanin zona kha anwa zota ani achan tu tiang hianin in senior official kan ron tha sak thei chewa in security hi enge omzia tiang zong khanin anwati el ani
Will the security aid
So far, Israel has not commented on the authenticity of these claims.
Israel lampang chuan engma thun la chu lo.
According to unconfirmed reports, Israel's emergency services received alerts and paramedics rushed to the scene. They found one person critically injured inside the vehicle. The victim was later pronounced dead.
Israel emergency service lampang chuanin jing dar kole chan ve don ve khan report andonga heta hianin atira chodin mi pakhat kum somni pasari mi velti ani anu kha chonin police pakhat police officer meichia kum som thum pangami ni in anron report level amaro cho chiang lo khom mai he thila hi chu a news kan share thei chi nei chu
Exactly is Handela. Well, the group first emerged in December 2023.
Handela te hi December san hi somni pathoma tiang hianin bulan ron chana.
It is widely described as a pro-Iranian hacker organization.
Iran lampang chan deuh tu hacker organization te an ne.
Since then, it has carried out cyber operations against Israeli and American targets.
Cyber operation Israel US kholpoi mo tak tak website poi mo tak file poi mo tak te kha khang te kha hack an vatum thina ni itiang hacker ho hi an nge yom thina tum lo de te pon kan lo tur ve pal the ni kitiang an che na te po khimo information poi mo tak company lian tak taka tangan ruk chho phei chuan ha thil poi de te kha ni ve the yang poni se tuna kan hriat thei china chuanin handela te hi pro Iranian hacker group an ni ya heng te hi anin Israel Mossad Spy an senior director pakhat chu thatam tak chu nan lo en tharua ti chuanin an thatta ani he thil hi chuanin US le Iran te deal siam tum te po hi a thalo zong in a hmong in a rin nomatin Israel lampang te po hi Lebanon khopui Beirut a bepui thak chun zom tur te pon motivation te po ape mai thei ani ape lawang ti kha soi thei mi lo la khati zong kha tun chu mata na kan han ri kan han soi zaw thei chu ani